हेलो। आप लोगों की प्रेजेंस और आप लोगों की ओवरव्यूइंग को देखते हुए हम आप लोगों के सामने एक प्रोजेक्ट लेके आए हैं। सबसे पहले आपको वादा करना होगा कि आप इसे सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे और लाइक करेंगे। उसके बाद और सारी टिप्स हम आपको देने जा रहे हैं। हियर आप लोगों के सामने एक चैप्टर है जिसका नाम है कैपेसिटेंस। उस पर हम एक की कंसेप्ट देने जा रहे हैं और हमारा जो शीर्षक होगा वह है कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ ए स्फेरिकल कंडक्टर। सो आई एम coming with you about the capacitance. When a conductor is charged, then its potential rises. The increase in potential is directly proportional to the charge of the given conductor, as Q vary as V और Q equal to CV, where C is the capacity of the conductor. According to the conductor or the capacitance, C equal to Q upon V. Q is the charge, V the potential. Therefore, when we describe it in form of work done, then Q square upon W, that is work done. Its dimension is M inverse L inverse 2 T inverse 2. T inverse 4 A inverse 2, because Q square upon work done. Work is the product of force and the displacement. So its SI unit is joule and their dimension is ml square T minus 2. Therefore, we can write it in this form. Now, I am going to the capacitance of a spherical conductor. When a charge Q is given to the isolated spherical conductor, then their potential rise. As you have to listen in the above sentence. So V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. Q upon R, and it can be written as the capacitance, or also it can derived by Q upon V, charge upon potential, that is 4 pi epsilon naught R. Have you any problem in this relation? You have no problem about the relation, because V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R, that is equal to C, and we have C equal to Q by V. Therefore, when we calculate it, it gives us 4 pi epsilon naught and radius R. If conductor is placed in a medium, then we can write or express it as C medium equal to 4 pi epsilon R, and we know about 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon R and R, because epsilon equal to epsilon naught and epsilon R, the permittivity in vacuum. Therefore, we come to their conditions on which the capacitance of a spherical conductor is depend. It depends upon 3 conditions. 1, size and shape of the conductor. 2, it expressed surrounding medium. What are the situation of the spherical mirror where it kept? It is third point is when we study about capacitance of a spherical mirror, a spherical conductor, that is also depends on any other of the conductor is present nearby the spherical conductor. Any of other conductor is presence nearby the spherical conductor. Now in front of us the key concept of capacitance of a spherical conductor. If when kept in medium, their value 4 pi epsilon r, where epsilon is epsilon naught and epsilon r. So we can write it 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r. It depends on size and shape of the conductor, surrounding medium, and also we have to watch any other conductor is nearby the spherical conductor. Now again I am coming with you with some concept. When a conductor is charged, then its potential rises. Means the increase in potential is directly proportional to the charge given to the conductor. As you know, capacitance of conductor is a scalar quantity, because the impact of the capacitance depends on charge. Hence, due to charge, the capacitance and their value in such a medium depends on the given charge, and charge is also a scalar quantity. Hence, students, I am repeating about your sincereness, due to your studyful nature. अगर आप हमारे इस वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं, शेयर करते हैं, सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, फिर मैं आपको वादा करता हूं कि फिर हम आपको इसी प्रकार के कई टिप्स देंगे, और उम्मीद है कि टिप्स के चक्कर में आप ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। Thank you for your daily attendance and your sincereness. Also give me the way and come to the board for you given something. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow.